Often, creating the core and cavity block isn't enough. In fact, you often have to create sub-inserts within your design. In this sample, we're going to show you how quickly you can create a sub-insert. Here we're just going to select an edge. TopSolid'Mold will select all of the faces within that edge and then automatically project that detail down to the back of the block. And like that, we have our insert. From here, we can choose to add a heel or not and even key it if we desire. And finally, we'll ask TopSolid'Mold to create the machining process that goes along with it. We select the insert, and like that, we're done. We've created our insert quickly and efficiently, and we've cleared out around the insert accordingly. Next, let's take a look at creating an insert for a side action. Here we'll select the detail that we want to create a side action for. We'll set the direction, and finally we'll use some curves this time to create our insert. In this case, we'll ask the software to project all the edges of that face out to the outside of the block, and then from here we'll add some simple sketch lines at an angle of 3 degrees per side to create some draft on the extremities of the part. You'll notice that we're snapping dynamically tangent to either edge. The final step here will be to select the segments that we want to use. Maybe we'd also like to use the edge of the core block, so we'll quickly turn the core and cavity block back on, and then we'll turn off the A half. Like that, our sketch is complete, and now all we need to do is finish up by extruding. And what's really cool here is once we give it an extrusion length, TopSolid'Mold goes to work, and you can see that it has absorbed the molding detail automatically. Very cool. Let's give it a name real quick, and like that, we're finished. The last thing we'll want to do is create the process for this. So to do that, we'll turn the cavity block on, turn the core block off, and then we'll go to Management and Process, select the insert, and TopSolid'Mold does the rest for you.